So we're going to slide now. Hey guys, this is your ultimate girl Tanya Lucky and welcome back to my channel. And today we're here at Hidden Valley Wave Pool and Mountain Resort at Pinamungahan, Cebu.
I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught inside a loop where I can get to your heart, get to your heart. Ooh, you're letting your fears take hold, let them take control, and it's making me crazy. If you could only look at me, you know how I feel, know how I feel. Oh, see how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. That's how much I want it, that's how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Think twice before you let me go. My eyes are mirrors of my soul. See how much I want it, see how bad I need it. You gotta look into my eyes. Look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into, look into my eyes. I'm staring through your window, looking up at the stars, up at the stars. I'm caught in.
So right now we're here at the restaurant. Before we go to the cottage, so we order our food first because it's almost 12 noon.
16. 16 ka?
Oh.
I'll be honest, I dream about how we meet and everything just feels so right. All this time and you just feel like you still want me to. You still want me to. You still want me to.
So we're here in the category for the infinity pool, and the cottage that we chose is cost 450, and then the other side that's 600, I guess. Yeah. And then we just ordered our food, and right now we're waiting for the table to be set up here.
dito. Sakay na. Ito na ba? Abis ka ko rin. Picture ba? Sige, o yan na.
Hey guys, this is your ultimate girl, Tanya Lapi again, and like what I mentioned earlier, that we're here at the Hidden Valley Mountain Resort at Pinamungahan, Cebu. And as you can see, there's an infinity pool right there, and the wave pool, and my nephews are right there, and of course, the ever-thirsty man.
Yeah, the ultimate fun girl. Of ultimate girl.
We actually have different categories of cottages and also for the entrance fees. But don't you worry guys, I'll be posting it on the description below. And also I'll be flashing out some photos of their packages here. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, let me go to the wave.
Sige na, dali naman niya. Kiran, okay ra mo? Wala sila.
So this is a mountain resort because literally it is located at the mountain or on top of the mountain, and the package that we choose is the package B, which is all access. So we have access to the infinity pool, to the wave pool, and also the regular pool, which is just right next to the entrance. And then maybe also later we will try the sky bike because I've been really eyeing to do that. And together with me are of course my ultimate nephews. That's Van, and that's Kiran, and Red right there. So hey guys, I'm just lounging here while waiting for our food. He said that it's gonna be served within an hour when we arrived here. And also, let me just talk about this place. This is actually located at Pinamungahan, Cebu. The exact name of this place is Hidden Valley Mountain Resort and Wave Pool. And once you get inside the vicinity of the resort, at the entrance, you will be greeted by a guard, and then you'll do the health declarations and all, and then the reception is just right there as well. Then you will be presented with the different packages. So the package that we chose is the all access package, so that's why we have this kind of wristband. And the all access package costs 350 pesos, pero wala ka na, entrance fee lang na siya, wala pa siya labot sa cottages and also other activities here. So they have a sky bike. I'm not sure how much is the price, but I guess it's 200 pesos per person. So later on, me and my nephews will try the sky bike. But right now, we're waiting for food for our lunch. And the pool is really nice. And they also have a pool. This pool is for kids. As you can see, there's a kid right here. Right. So I'll see you guys in a bit. And also, from time to time, they will stop the waves in the pool, and then they will just give out like a signal, like the siren, for when they will turn on the wave for the pool. So right now, the waves are off. As you can see, it's very plain right now compared to the one that I showed earlier. Right. Finally, our food are right here. So we have the cassava cake, the calamari, pork skewer, plain rice, grilled barbecue, fried chicken, and lechon kawali. Ang gutom.
Edala pa.
Of course, the ultimate girl. Light lang.
Ano sa news lang? Bumbay ka, dili pwede na.
Ha?
Like 40. 50 per minute.
50. Hindi ako na rin magdakit.
Hindi makasip na mo order ani.
Ano ito? Had our lunch and then we're waiting for the wave to turn on, and according to the guy, it will be by 1 p.m. and I guess it's already 1 p.m. Right? So this is the other side of the pool right there. So there are different cottages, and that cottage right there, that's 600 pesos. Come with me.
What can you say about the area, the venue?
Right, I didn't expect nga, ano daw siya kanindot, especially for a first timer like me. So, this is the wave pool, and that's the infinity pool right there. And nasa sila regular na pool, and I think mo to ang infinity pool siguro.
No, siya ko ano nyo. Slides.
No? So, if you look at there, it's surrounded by coconut trees, and there are tattoos right there.
Oh my God.
Let's ask Ate Daw if we can go there.
Yeah. Okay, pangutan natin.
Ate, kanang kuwanan. Oo. All access. Pwede ra.
Oh, really?
Asa mo naman yun?
Gawas na mo diyan. Tuyo.
Kung sa'yo name, ano?
Kuan infinity.
Asa na sa infinity pool? House light pool?
Ordinary pool siya.
Okay, yeah. Pila siya ka-feet?
Kuan 6 feet. Nani na
6 feet? Oh my gosh.
Dito ka sa di 7 feet.
7
Dapat
feet.
tayo atong atubangan kapag ay pool atubangan.
Oo.
O 7 feet to siya.
Iri-ri ka pa rin mawagi.
Talaga ako magi.
Sige, thank you.
Thank you.
Right, so
So we can go there.
we'll go there because there's no tao. So this is another category for their pool, I mean. This is the slide pool. As you can see, wala kayo siya tao. Right? And the depth of the water is 6 feet, 6.5 feet. Ready? Jump! So we're going to slide now. Slide pool, and as you can see, there's a slide right there. And this is 6.5 feet, and then the other side is 5.5 feet. So we were able to get in here. That's my nephew, because we paid for the all access, and that's what you get if you pay for all access. Right, Connie, sweetie?
Yes. Dami kayo dali no.
I'll be honest, I dream about how we meet and everything just feels so right. All this time and you just feel like I used to want.
to sky bike. Hey! Kiran! Yay! Sky biking! Thank you, ya. Hey, we're going back. Kiran. Whee! Kiran. And after me and Kiran, it's Kuya Riz and Dancer. So there you have it, guys. That's how I spent my weekend. So always remember that you're special. Keep on smiling, and the rest of the world will also smile. I'll see you in my next vlog.